In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up clean charts on TradingView. We want to ensure your trading experience is as intuitive and clutter-free as possible. So let's jump right into the setup process. First, you'll want to begin by opening TradingView and navigating to the BTC/USD chart. This is a great starting point to get familiar with chart layouts and settings. Once you're there, on the main chart page, look for the highlight button. Clicking it will initiate the process that allows you to customize your chart exactly how you want it. Now it's time to start refining the chart's elements. You'll notice several highlights. Click each one in sequence. This action will remove unwanted components from the chart, streamlining its appearance. By doing this, you're essentially purging any visual noise that might distract you from important data. Keep your action deliberate. Each click plays a strategic role in cleaning up the view. Continuing our journey, pay attention to the symbol option. This feature is crucial for toggling different chart items, allowing you to clean up individual components efficiently. After you've selected the symbol, proceed by clicking the next set of highlights. These successive clicks will allow further personalization, adjusting the individual aspects of the chart's layout to your preference. You're doing great. As you move forward, watch for the borders option. Selecting this will let you adjust how the borders of your chart look, or if you even want them visible at all. It's another way to minimize distractions and keep only the necessary elements visible. After managing the borders, continue to click through the next highlights and customize until your satisfaction. Let's talk indicators, an essential part of TradingView. Click the indicators option. This opens up a new realm of customization where you can add only the essential technical tools you rely on. You'll see an opportunity to add the stochastic RSI, always a helpful tool for analyzing market conditions. Click to include it if it suits your analysis style. At this stage, it's also time to consider more advanced tools. Look for the CMMSD custom indicator. It's highly regarded by traders for providing insights across multiple time frames. Including this in your chart setup equips you with a deeper perspective, enabling more informed decision making. Finally, click the remaining highlights to finalize your setup. These last adjustments are all about fine-tuning, ensuring every aspect of the chart complements your trading strategy. And there you go. You now have a beautifully clean chart setup on TradingView, customized precisely for your trading needs. This will make it easier to focus on market trends and vital data, significantly enhancing your overall trading experience. Remember, the key to successful trading is clarity, and a well-organized chart is a huge step toward that objective. As you become more comfortable, feel free to further tweak the charts as your preferences evolve.